Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Professor Sunil Poddar, PROF dot SUNIL PODDAR. Sunil Poddar, Professor Sunil Poddar. Maths trick, ATM. Welcome to my channel. That is ATM, Anytime Maths. Anytime Maths. So we have already discussed the grouped series, the raw data, discrete series. In grouped series, we have discussed the direct method. In previous video. You can watch, you can subscribe, you can share. Now, the second method, that is shortcut method. Second method is shortcut method or assumed mean method. Shortcut method or assumed mean method. I have taken the similar question, same question. Class is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. And the number of students, that is 4, 3, 2, 1. Find arithmetic mean using assumed mean method. Assumed mean method, or it can be asked to solve by shortcut method. So both are same, shortcut method or assumed mean method. So first step, to convert the question in vertical format. First convert the question in vertical format as it is. So class, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 as it is. No need to total. Now the second column is number of students. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Find the total of this column only. 4, 3, 2, 1. So the total is 10, which is known as summation of f. You can say summation, you can say sigma f. Sigma f is 10, or you can say n. This column is f. Second column is always f. F means frequency. Now the next step is to find the mid value, or you can say class mark. Mid value या class mark, which is taken as x. What is the formula to find mid value or class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. I repeat, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Now substitute the values and find the value of mid value or class mark. Now how to calculate the mid value? First select the class value, the original value. The first column, 0 to 10. 0 is the lower limit, 10 is the upper limit. Same way for next class, 10 to 20. Lower limit is 10, upper limit is 20. Same for the next class, lower limit is 20, upper limit is 30. Same for the next class, lower limit is 30, upper limit is 40. Now substituting the values in this formula will get the class mark value. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2. So 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Same way 10 plus 20, that is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Then 20 plus 30, total 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. Then 30 and 40. 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 divided by 2 is 35. So the class marks are available now. 5, 15, 25 and 35. This is known as x column. So I have written x. Now we are solving by assumed mean method or shortcut method. So what do you mean by shortcut method? From the class mark means 5, 15, 25, 35. Assume any one number. You can take 5, you can take 15, you can take 25, you can take 35 also. You can take 20 also, but sir, 20 is not mentioned over here. So, but you can take 20 because this is assumed mean. Assumed mean means आपको वहाँ पे कोई भी एक वैल्यू को सिलेक्ट करना है, किसी एक वैल्यू को. So 5, 15, 25, 35 किसी एक वैल्यू को सिलेक्ट कर लो, किसी को भी. ऐसा कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि मिडिल वैल्यू सिलेक्ट करेंगे. So यहाँ पे मिडिल वैल्यू वैसे भी नहीं है 1, 2, 3, 4. So मिडिल वैल्यू कौन सा है नहीं पता कर सकते हैं. So किसी एक वैल्यू को सिलेक्ट कर लो. You can select 15, you can select 25 from the class mark. I repeat, from the class mark select assumed value. So I have taken 25 as assumed value. So A is 25. A means assumed mean. Now the next column is D is equal to x minus A. D is equal to x minus A. It means from every x value you have to subtract the assumed mean value. I repeat, from every x value you have to subtract the assumed mean value. Or you can substitute in this formula. Since x value is 5 minus A value is 25. So 5 minus 25 is minus 20. 5 minus 25 is minus 20. Same way 15 minus 25, because assumed mean is 25. So 15 minus 25 is minus 10. Same way 25 minus 25 is 0. 35 minus 25 is 10. Understood? So this is the D column. Now next, this D column will be multiplied with the F column, second column. फ्रीक्वेंसी कॉलम से डी कॉलम को मल्टीप्लाई कर देने का. आई रिपीट, एफ कॉलम को, सेकेंड कॉलम को डी कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई कर देने का. डी कॉलम में जो नंबर्स मिले उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देने का. सो 4 इंटू माइनस 20 इज माइनस 80, 3 इंटू माइनस 10 इज माइनस 30, 2 इंटू 0 इज 0, 1 इंटू 10 इज 10. नाउ वी गॉट एफ डी वैल्यू, F into D column. Now, what is the total of FD? How to calculate FD column? There are negative numbers as well as positive number also. So how to calculate? First, calculate the negative number. 80 and 30, 110. Put minus sign. So minus 110. 0 plus 10 is plus 10. Then find the difference between minus 110 and 10. It is the difference of minus 100. Use bigger number sign. Bigger number is 110. Sign is negative, so put negative sign here. So minus 100. So summation of FD or the total of FD column is minus 100. Okay. Now next, what is the formula? In assumed mean method, let A is equal to 25. We have already taken. Now x bar is equal to A plus summation of FD upon summation of F. Summation of FD upon summation of F, and here A plus summation of FD upon summation of F. Formula is most important. Without formula you cannot operate, you cannot find the arithmetic mean. If you are following shortcut method, you have to apply the shortcut method formula. So x bar is equal to A plus summation of FD upon summation of F. So A value is 25 plus, put plus sign, then summation of FD value is minus 100. Summation of FD value is minus 100. So write in bracket minus 100, write in bracket, in minus 100, write in bracket, divided by summation of F is 10. Now 0 cancel. So 25 plus and minus 10 in bracket. What is the difference between plus 25 and minus 10? So the difference is 15 plus 15. So the answer is plus 15. X bar value is 15. So the mean value is 15 from assumed mean method, or you can say shortcut method. In previous lecture or previous video, we have discussed the direct method, the same sum with direct method, we got the same answer, that is 15. And through shortcut method we got the same answer, that is 15. So the answers are same. This is as per ICSE pattern. Now pay attention. Here the minor difference between ICSE and SSC board, state board. Here we write the U column. So इंस्टेड ऑफ डी वी कैन राइट यू ऑल्सो, ठीक है। एसएससी में हम लोग यहाँ पे डी की जगह पे यू लिखते हैं, बस इतना ही डिफरेंस है। तो एफ इंटू यू आ जाता है यहाँ पे, एफ डी की जगह पे एफ इंटू यू। आईसीएससी में डी लिखते हैं हम लोग, बस इतना ही डिफरेंस है। बाकी का पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट सेम। सो पहला मेथड डायरेक्ट मेथड, ठीक है, एंड दिस वन इज शॉर्टकट मेथड और अज्यूम्ड मीन मेथड, अज्यूम्ड मीन मेथड। होप आप लोगों को सब समझ में आया होगा। पूरा वीडियो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, अगर आपको पसंद आता है दूसरे अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करिए। ऐसे बहुत सारे वीडियो अलग अलग ट्रिक के साथ अलग अलग टॉपिक वाइज मैं शेयर करते रहूँगा। आप लोग इसको लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए। प्रोफ सुनील पोद्दार।